The familiar sounds of "Somewhere Over the Rainbow" floated through the halls of the retirement home as 85-year-old Dorothy strummed her ukulele. For Dorothy, playing her ukulele on World Play Your Ukulele Day is a highlight of the year. She had treasured her ukulele for over 7 decades, having received it as a gift for her 8th birthday. Teaching herself to play over the years has brought her much joy and helped combat loneliness and depression during difficult times. World Play Your Ukulele Day has been celebrated on February 2nd since 2011 to honor the importance of music and encourage more people to pick up this small but mighty instrument. The ukulele originated in Hawaii in the 1880s after the arrival of Portuguese immigrants who were influenced by small guitar-like instruments popular in their native Polynesia. The ukulele spread to the mainland United States in the early 1900s and enjoyed mainstream popularity in the 1920s and 1950s. Simple to play, but able to produce a warm and whimsical sound, the ukulele has seen a resurgence in popularity in recent years. Learning to play the ukulele is easy and affordable, but that doesn't diminish its significance. Music has a profound impact on health and well-being at any age. Playing an instrument like ukulele exercises the brain and body, promoting connectivity between neural networks. Strumming a few chords or plucking out a simple melody can lower stress and anxiety, decrease symptoms of depression, and boost feelings of joy and contentment through the release of dopamine. On World Play Your Ukulele Day, people around the globe will be celebrating by doing just that, playing their ukuleles. Living rooms and front porches will be filled with the familiar island sound of ukuleles strumming favorite songs like "I'm Yours" by Jason Mraz, "Riptide" by Vance Joy, or a classic like "Over the Rainbow." Local ukulele groups may organize mini concerts or open mics at community centers, music shops, and retirement homes to spread the musical joy. Some ukulele players may Skype or FaceTime with fellow players to strum and sing along together remotely. However, people choose to celebrate World Play Your Ukulele Day offers an opportunity to foster community through a shared love of music. February 2nd is World Play Your Ukulele Day. Here is our painting with all your pastors for this special day, and have a wonderful World Play Your Ukulele Day. Cheers!